Okay, team, stabilize the upper section first. That rear slab is shifting. Copy that, setting the anchors now. Steady, steady now. Clear on the left side, keep it going up. Watch the clearance on the mirror. Watch the roof, watch the roof. Oh! Hold it right there, we've got clearance. We need more slack on this chain. Careful, it's shifting slightly. Keep the tension steady, prepare for the lift.
Let's get the full sequence of the side skirt damage. Camera feed is live, moving to the rear now. Ensure all contact points are tagged and photographed. Keep the tension steady on the line. Watch the rear clearance. All right, keep it coming back slowly. Watch your passenger side. Okay, hold it there. We are clear. Ramp descending, angle looks good. Keep monitoring the clearance.
Keep it coming slow. Watch the left side, clear the ramp. All right, easy now, easy. All right, easy on the hydraulics. Watch the front splitter. Straps are clear on this side, clear on the right, slow and steady.
The earthquake pattern is consistent, but look at the depth of the crack on the bumper. Yes, and the scuffing on the side skirt indicates a secondary impact.
The structural integrity of the roof is completely compromised. Look at the alignment on the rear panel. We need to document every single dent before we start.
Ready, everyone? Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch the front corner. Clear on this side, bring it straight back. All right, bolts are loose, ready to lift.
Clear on this side.
Okay, easy now, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3, up.
Clamps are secure on the rear points. Engaging the laser scanners now. We're showing a 7mm deviation on the front left. Check the gap at the A-pillar. Make sure it's exactly 3 millimeters.
I'm showing 3.1. Let me adjust the shim.
Okay, setting the torque to factory spec now.
Confirmed. 3 clicks.
Looks good, let's move to the other side.
Clear fluid lines on the front left. Okay, noted. We still need to inspect the rears for contamination. All right, slowly now, watch the alignment on the passenger side.
Look straight, keep it coming down.
And set.
Okay, lowering the cover now.
X braces.
Clear on this side. Watch the alignment.
We've waited for. Yeah. It's incredible. Sounds amazing.